Project statuses and tags help you organize your projects page. Instead of keeping things up to date manually, you can use workflows to automatically update a project status or add a tag after a specific milestone. There are a few different ways to approach automatically changing a project status. You could have the workflow update the project status immediately after another action has occurred. You could have the workflow update the project status right before a task you need to do manually, like customizing and approving a proposal. Or you could have the workflow update the project status after the client does something, like signing a contract. The right strategy or combination of strategies is up to you. It just depends on how you'd like to track progress back on your projects page. For example, if you move clients who have signed their contract to the contract signed status automatically, you'll be able to keep an eye out for someone getting stuck in the proposal and contract sent status for a few days, in case you want to follow up manually. Keep in mind that the workflow changes the project status, not the other way around. Changing a project status manually will not trigger any automation in a workflow. Here's a tip. Over time, project statuses can help you identify bottlenecks in your process. If you see a large number of projects building up in one status, it could indicate an issue that needs improvement. If your lead capture form has a workflow element that's connected to different workflows by service, you may find it helpful to have the workflow apply the appropriate tag automatically. For example, the coaching package workflow can start with an action to add a coaching tag immediately after all previous actions complete. You can do this for each service workflow using the tag that matches that service. Here's a tip. Tags are like hashtags. They're great for grouping projects by theme or category, but they are not intended for tracking progress changes over time, like when a proposal is sent or a contract is signed.